Why the new RGBW 3 HDMI 2.1 fancy sync box feels like a real TV upgrade on 70 to 95-inch screens.
What if your stunning 85-inch TV is actually holding you back every single night? You invested in the big screen, the perfect couch, the sound bar, yet something still feels flat, tiring, disconnected. Your eyes ache after 2 hours, the magic fades, and you're left wondering why it doesn't feel like the cinema you dreamed of. You're not imagining it. Keep watching, because what changed everything for thousands of us is finally here, and it's not another TV.
Picture this. Friday night, lights off, blockbuster ready. 10 minutes in, you're already shifting in your seat, eyes burning from that harsh island of light in a dark room. Gaming? You feel the lag before you see it. Those half-second delays in the lights kill the intensity of every explosion. Sports look electric on screen, but dead on your walls. You've tried cheaper sync boxes. You've accepted good enough washed-out whites, tinted skin tones, and the constant fear of black screens when Netflix detects HDCP issues. You've wasted hours recalibrating, swapping cables, lowering your TV settings just to keep the lights working. All because every other solution forces you to choose, either stunning lighting or full gaming performance. You've been settling without realizing it, until now.
Then everything changed the moment I plugged in the new RGBW 3 HDMI 2.1 fancy sync box. Don't just pick any sync box. Make sure it has true HDMI 2.1 pass-through with RGBW technology, so you never experience lag, signal drops, or dirty tinted whites ever again. This is the one that finally keeps every promise. Your PS5 or Xbox stays locked at 4K 120 Hz, VRR, Dolby Vision, no compromises. The lights react instantly, exploding across your walls the exact millisecond the action happens. Dedicated white LEDs mean skin tones stay human, snow stays pure, pastels stay soft. No more cheap RGB glow that makes everything look radioactive. Imagine watching Dune and feeling the desert actually stretch behind your 85-inch screen. Imagine horror games where the darkness crawls into the room with you. Imagine falling asleep to a movie without once rubbing tired eyes. That's not marketing. That's what thousands of us live every night now. Quick check. Which would transform your setup fastest? Comment 1 for zero-lag gaming immersion, 2 for cinematic movie nights that feel endless, 3 for pure comfort with zero eye strain. Tell me below. I read every single one.
Don't take my word for it. A verified PS5 owner with an 82-inch OLED wrote, "I upgraded from the previous best sync box night and day. No more tinted dialogue scenes, no more switching off the lights to play Warzone at 120 Hz. It just works." Another 95-inch home cinema owner said, "Installed it on the biggest screen they support, scales perfectly, zero heat issues, HDR looks even better than Direct Connect." Tech reviewers measured less than 1 millisecond added latency. The aluminum unit runs barely warm after 8-hour sessions. Even professional calibrators say the RGBW accuracy beats every competitor they've tested. Over 8,000 units sold in the current batch, near-perfect ratings across every platform, and customer support that actually answers in minutes, not days. This isn't hope. It's happening right now in living rooms exactly like yours. Type yes if you're ready to finally feel what your big TV was built for.
In the next 30 seconds, you can go from, "Yeah, my setup's pretty good," to, "Holy crap, this is what I've been missing for years." Thousands of us have already made the switch and will never go back. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it at the top. Just click, claim yours, and watch your TV transform the same night it arrives. Universal power adapter included, works everywhere on Earth. I'll see you on the other side, where the movie never actually ends at the bezel again.
Welcome home.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.